the so-called pumpkin shake. I tried anyway, but yeah, I'm gonna have to go around this one again. I tried the best I could to like make the pumpkin shape because we're making pumpkin cinnamon rolls. So I use Pillsbury. I should have showed y'all first. Pillsbury, you know, I'm using the Pillsbury brand, of course, but I'm gonna do the last wrap with y'all. I decided to go ahead and do the rest of them off camera just because it's just a lot easier for me to do it off camera. And they're not perfect, y'all, so yeah. And I do have my cinnamon sticks and my pumpkin pie spice and the icing, which we're gonna be jazzing that up in a little bit. So how I've been doing it is just taking, so I've been taking this wrapping it, squeezing it, kind of small knots. Oh, then taking it around one more time. Hold on, let me see something. Actually, I'm not gonna do it again. We're just gonna keep this. This is my first time making these, so. And my hands are sticky. So then I'm going to take another half of the string. Myra, stop. You can use the whole string and just do it that way. If y'all see my camera moving, my daughter is literally messing with the tripod. So we're going to tie a knot. Just cut the extra off. Well, this is the kind of twine you can put in the oven, so. Let's see. I think I made this too short. I need to use the other one. Yeah. So yeah. Alright, so this is how they look. I'm just going to sprinkle some of this pumpkin pie spice on top of each of them. See them a little bit better. Here they go. It's only 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I wish I had something to put this in to sprinkle it over top of the, like, you know, one of those little sprinkler things. I wish I had that for that. That would be a lot better than. And this right here, y'all can get at Walmart. Like, this is the. That's doing that. You take the icing, and I'm trying to figure out, do you warm the icing up, because I have my icing, and I'm gonna add this pumpkin pie spice to it. Let me just show y'all. I'm gonna stir it up. My nose is very much irritated. You see? And you don't have to use a lot. And then I'm gonna try to warm this up inside of this. Hopefully it don't burn up the microwave. I'm gonna put on like 10 seconds to get it warm, so I can drizzle it over top of the you know. So yeah, results of the cinnamon rolls. They look very good. So yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna come back to y'all when I get the strings off. Y'all see it's like kind of It is a little something to take the strings off, so this is the shape. Okay, so basically, let me come back to y'all once I get all the string off. Alright, you guys, so I got all of the twine off. I'm going to switch it from here to here. Alright, so this, please don't. So I just put the cinnamon stick on top. So yeah, I put the cinnamon sticks on top. Cinnamon sticks on top. I'm going to spread this as best as I can. Is the end result. It's kind of like an easy recipe, to be honest with you. Yes, y'all, I'm excited about these. They look so good. They look like pumpkins. I'm excited. I made these. So yeah, let me give y'all a better view. All right, you guys. So yes, that is it. I'm so happy. I'm happy with the results. Like I said, I'm going to show y'all one more time so y'all can see them. Because your girl did that, baby. Who is she? Who is she? So, they look like pumpkins. They're pumpkin pie cinnamon rolls. Baby. With cinnamon sticks on top. With cinnamon sticks on top. Yes, baby. It's so good, don't they? Y'all, so we are on our way to Virginia. All 4 of us are sick. I have a headache from hell. Yeah. But we're on our way to go pick up our other car.
Thank God.
Thank God, yeah. And then we'll be driving that back. Alright, y'all, we are in my home state.
Yeah, we tired.
So, and that's why y'all didn't get Vlogmas Day 13. I have the footage, but we have not edited yet. So,
We've been out of town.
because we've been in Virginia, so
Little turtle.
we don't have that edited to put it out.
Little turtle.
Oh, these are $3. Look,
What's $3?
these blankets. These are $3, y'all.
Let's get a Halloween one.
Grandma.
Whoa, hey, careful. What is
I can't touch it.
This one is nice. Yeah, this one got dogs on
Who's
it.
touching that?
Well,
$3 is a good price.
That's a Halloween.
$3 is a good price, y'all. Look, I don't know if that was $3. I think these are. Don't you get the one with the dogs on
Had
it?
a great fall now. Half the shells missing.
Put them back.
Come on, yeah.
So my husband put it back. But this is how. This was actually how. This is how it looks. It's just something cute when you sit on the couch. So
Hey, check it out. If you don't have your own.
my battery going dead.
I want that kitty. I want that kitty thing.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, you can't have it.
But why didn't you tell me?
Oh yeah, come on.
Yeah.
Man, if you put that head up. Head up.
Oh, mama.
How much that cost?
My mama, you done messed this up. Got a hole right there on the sleeve. Right here, on the sleeve. Right there, jacket.
Yeah. Take it off anyway.
No, don't take it off. But you just got a hole in it. And we're going to my daddy's house. We're dropping mama off. Go to my daddy's house, pick up our car, and then we're going to be headed back to North Carolina. We stayed overnight in the hotel. The hotel was horrible, y'all.
Look, mama.
Let me tell you. Baby, like, pictures are deceiving. And not only are they deceiving, when people are doing something for you, when you do something for somebody, make sure you give them your all. Don't do stuff for people. Don't do that. Give people what you want back. If you want good to come to you, you do good by people, which means that you just don't give people anything and say accept it. You know what I'm saying? Because that's not what God would do. God wants to give you his best, and he wants you to give your best to people. Because I tell you, me and my husband, we are so good to people, but if we could ever get that back, yeah, that would be great. So, my husband's gonna try this on. It's just looking
Too small.
it look good. Put your arms down, babe, so you can see.
You can't wash it. You put one time.
He's so dang on silly.
You know,
Babe, that is you. That is Bubba for real.
look,
Like,
that's a long one. Look.
maybe a longer one. That's an extra large. That's why. Bubba don't like his. Bubba don't like his stuff that long.
3 times X.
I
So
do like
yeah,
this.
I like that.
Yes, this is good.
Yeah.
This is my style. Like, hey, come to Walmart. Stop worrying about all that name brand stuff. You are the brand.
I know that's right.